back to my channel. My name is Mia and you're watching Mamaa Meah. If you're new here, I make beginner friendly tutorials because I'm a beginner myself and never really know exactly what I'm doing. But yeah, today we're gonna jump into the gel eggs. Right now I'm filing. I bought a kit on Amazon that had everything I needed. It was like $20. I thought I unboxed everything in the video, but I can't seem to find that footage. But I do have the link in my bio, and it's everything that you would need, and it's everything I'm using. It came with the nail tips, the glue, the file, the cutter, the light, like literally everything you would need. It was in the box, and I love that so much. It was perfect for me. Right now I'm just showing you the nail so you can kind of see the thickness of it. This, like I said, came with the kit. I'm using the primer. This primer did not come with the kit. As you can see, it's acrylic primer. I seen it in a video. This woman used it and she said that like it worked, but she did not cure it on the videos. So I did not cure it, and that was mistake number one. Okay, mistake number one of this beginner friendly, I'm just trying to learn with y'all type video, because that was a huge mistake. So right now I'm just putting glue on the nail, and then you roll it onto your finger. Do not put a lot of glue, it's just an unnecessary mess. As you can see, like now that I'm on my second finger, I realized like you don't need that much. And just hold it, because air bubbles, we don't want air bubbles. Air bubbles tend to make the nail pop off. So that's my first hand. And I wanted like short, white, cream white nails. The girls that get it when I say cream white, okay? So I'm just cutting them now. This is the polish that I decided to get on Amazon. It's the perfect color. But like I said, this is my first time doing my nails. I've never used gel polish before, and I basically just made a mess on my nails. So what is you doing? What is you doing, little mama? What is happening? Somebody come help this woman. I put it under the lights, and these nails might look completely different because my first set, the one that I recorded, popped off the same day, y'all. Like, it was so bad, so I redid it the next day, and these looked a lot neater, and they also lasted 3 whole days, if you can believe it. Thank y'all for watching. Love you. Bye. Took me some time, but now